Hey everybody, you may be wondering why I'm in my car, and it's because I'm doing a short little video on another practical printing project that I did for my daughter. And as most of you know, when your kid asks you to do something really sweetly, you kind of have to do it. So let's look at what the problem is and how we solved it and see if it works. All right, as you can see, this is my daughter's car seat, and she has this cup holder that comes with the Britex car seat. And what they have here is they have this clip right here that fits in this slot, which works all well and good, except for when you have water in it, and as this thing wears out, if there's a little bit of weight on it, the thing falls out of the slot, falling to the seat, angering my daughter and making her very sad. So she looked at me and said, "Can we fix this?" Well, she's 2. She said, "Dad, fix." And I said, "Oh, I have to do it." So how do we go about fixing it? Well, I looked at it and I said, I've got this slot here to work with. Let's see if we can design something to make that work. So I took a picture of it, imported it into Fusion 360, and printed this shape, which is this shape right here. So I extruded that, took the dimensions of the bottom of this cup, which is this, and you end up with this, which looks interesting. So the way this works is we can stick this in the hole. Right. So that sits there nice and steady. We can now take the cup, put it in the slot, and now you've got support for a cup, and she doesn't have to worry about this falling apart anymore. This is printed in Matterhacker's Build PETG, which will be interesting to see. It has a glass transition temperature of about 72 C instead of 60 C for PLA, so it'll be interesting to see in a hot car if this holds up. If it doesn't, I'll reprint it in ABS, but I definitely wouldn't print it in PLA because in a hot car that'll just fall apart. So stay tuned, I'll keep an eye on this and see what it does, but so far seems like we have a valid solution to help my kid. So long story short, 3D printing isn't just a tool to make things, it's a tool to bring you together with your kids and make you an awesome parent in the end and save the day. I can't wait for her to wake up in the morning and see this. I think she's gonna be happy with it. Like I said, just a short little video. Hopefully this gets the brain juices flowing and gives you ideas on other places where you can apply 3D printing. It's not all just for making Pikachus and 3D fills, which are awesome as well, but it can be used to solve everyday problems. See you next time.